Hey guys, welcome to another finance tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay with Revolut virtual card. So first of all, what you have to do is open Revolut application and go to the card section and click on get a card and select virtual card and order your virtual card from here. You can enter the card name and the purpose of the card. For instance, if you want it for subscriptions, for general, select any and click on create card. And once your card has been created and ready to use, then you will get your card number, your CVC number, the expiry date, all this necessary information to make a payment from the card. So basically it will give you all the necessary information which are required for a transaction of a card. Once you get all of the information about your card, simply open your wallet, which is Apple Wallet. In my case, if you're using an iOS device, you can set up your Apple Pay Cash, and the process is same. So Android users use Google Wallet, and iPhone users use Apple Pay. So once you open your wallet, click on add a payment card and enter all of the necessary information about your card. For instance, your card number from Revolut, each and everything. Once you input all the information and once your card has been added, then you can use it for tap and pay into stores and wherever you want. And that's how you'll be able to pay with your Revolut virtual card. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.